How to fix Forza Horizon 5 online mode. I talk about Horizon Life, Horizon Open, and Horizon Arcade. I had this problem myself, so I want to share the solution with you. There are 3 steps that can fix this, 2 obvious ones and 1 difficult to come up with. The last one was a solution I had been looking for a long time. Okay, let's go. First step, the obvious one. Check the internet connection first, but I think you already did it. Second step, if everything is okay, try to reset Horizon Live just like on video. If you still have problem with joining the Horizon Open or other events, you can try the last one method I know. This bug usually appears when you have already played the expansions packs, Hot Wheels, or Rally Adventure. The solution is back to the main story in Mexico. Enter to any of your homes and set it as default, then restart the game. If that doesn't help, it's possible that the game itself is having network issues and you'll need to wait it out. I hope I helped you. If you know other solutions, please write in the comments. Subscribe to be up to date with my channel. Thank you. Bye.